Hi everybody, my name is Jonathan Forte and today I will show you my final project for this class. Um, I create a page um, to help me to track my habits. This is something that I am trying to track this time, um, but I am having some troubles with other applications, so this will help me to have another option and have a more personal habit tracker for me. So that helped with us. So the main thing that you can see here is my page. Just is very minimal. I don't want to add many things. I just want something very easy. But you can see here, like in the connect for a game or in the pizza app, we have this lateral in menu that I think that looks very good. Maybe I will change the color in the future. But have the things that I think that is important. So my app works in this way. We have this principal page just for the login to go to the habits or create an account. I just create an account, but I just want to show you this. In the error handler part, I create this that if you want to go to the habits, um, the main thing is you need to go to register or login. I put the login first because I just have an account. And for me, it's more faster to do it and unlog it. But I have another account that is for just for example. Um, that is this is one. So I finish my login part. Uh, that is a requirement. So you can see here many things. It's very easy. Just a place to put the habit and then a description, and then you can save it. And then you have the date where when you created, the status if it's pending or you are working in this, and this is the actions you can delete or mark as complete. Um, so the page work in three layouts, in three layers. Um, First are the components, uh, where leave all the interface, the user interface, and all the parts working with Blazor. Then is the data part that act like a brain for all the habits, for all the data. Um, and is where our database is. Um, and finally, the service part, um, is where I process the rulers uh, before to go to the database. So the database is here. I use this type, like in the examples that we see. I use the context database because we are using a framework where we don't use SQL code. We use we take the habits like class in C sharp, and that help a lot for the page and how it works. Returning to the app, you can see here I can put another habit, maybe read the book, and the description will be one page day, and I will save it. And you have this message. Other part of the error handlers say that if you try to put here or try to save an empty habit, you'll have this one. Um, and this with the error handler. So again, you will have this. You can mm, click as complete, and you can see that now the status is complete, or you can delete um, the habit. So one thing that I will create then is to uh, the way to repeat the habit with the time. Finally, this interface we use Blazor that help us to build a web page, dynamic web page using C sharp. Um, and we learned that use C sharp instead of JavaScript. Here in the script, you can see how all the pieces are connected. We have our HTML standard that help us to have all the simple things here. Um, but we connect all the events directly with our methods in C sharp using the on click buttons. Um, so when I make click, the logic starts immediately uh, here um, in the code block that I use. Um, and I start to work with all the service where saved all the information. So all these are deployed in the Azure websites. I use that to deploy the page, so you can see that I use that. Um, and this is all. I think that this is all. This is my page, and it's not something very hard. I just don't use many colors, but I have many ideas to have a more robust app. So this is the main idea. I think that I hope you like it. And this is my project. Thank you so much.